Hey everyone! Welcome to Budgeting to Billionaire, your go-to channel for smart money tips, budgeting hacks, and strategies to build wealth. Let's go ahead to today's video. You think you need thousands to start investing? Think again. Today I'll show you how to start building your financial future with just $100. Why start with $100? You might wonder, can $100 really make a difference? Absolutely. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Understanding fractional shares. First, consider fractional shares. Platforms like Robinhood and Fidelity let you buy pieces of expensive stocks. This means you can own part of companies like Apple or Tesla without breaking the bank. Invest in ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs are another great option. These funds let you invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Think of it as buying a little slice of many companies at once. ETFs like SPY or VTI are popular for beginners. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. If you're looking for a lower risk option, consider a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit, CD. These won't make you rich but can help your money grow safely while you learn about investing. Apps that round up spare change. Don't forget about apps like Acorns. They round up your spare change and invest it for you. It's a simple way to grow your portfolio without even noticing. Key tips for success. Remember these tips. Start small, stay consistent, reinvest your earnings, and never stop learning. Even with $100, you're taking the first step toward financial independence. And there you have it, a simple guide to start investing with just $100. Which strategy will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your wealth.